Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to sync contacts on Android with Gmail account. Let's begin. So once you open up your Gmail app, you're going to go to the top right corner, then select your profile icon. Afterwards, you're going to select manage your Google account. Now afterwards, you're going to be on the home tab. You're going to scroll to the right and look for something which says people and sharing. Scroll down until you see contacts. Now you have to select contact info from your device. You have to ensure that this is turned on. It says here, save contact info from your signed-in devices. It says here, this data is used to make these contacts easier to interact with across Google services, regardless of which device you're using. So you have to make sure that this is turned on, and then go to contact info saved from interactions. So you have to make sure that this is turned on as well by toggling it on. And it's going to say, save contact info when you interact with people. So if you go to your Samsung phone app on your own phone, you're going to select one of the contacts so I'm going to use the one in the A category. Then I'm going to select the information button on the right. Then if I go to storage locations, it's going to show me that this contact information has been saved on this specific Gmail account. And there you go. If this video helped you out, then please leave a like and consider subscribing. It's free, and it helps the channel to make more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.